Restoration
La restauration
is not just finding what was missing.
n'est pas seulement retrouver ce qui est perdu,
It's finding what was missing
mais retrouver ce qui était perdu
while it is intact
pendant que c'est encore intact
with its benefits.
avec son bénéfice.
Let me tell you something. What is evangelist?
Où est l'évangéliste?
One day, come.
Un jour,
Something happened to this man.
quelque chose s'est passé.
Come. Get me a mic very fast. Before you die before your time.
Avant de mourir,
There
avant
are
ton
some
temps,
open doors that are not open doors. Are open
il y a des
graves.
portes ouvertes qui ne sont pas des portes
They
ouvertes.
are open graves.
Ce sont des cercueils.
Give him a mic. Tell us what happened with your shoe.
It was stolen.
Where do you keep the shoe? Just tell the story. Just tell us.
I actually went somewhere. I visited somebody, and when I was about leaving, I discovered that the shoes actually were stolen.
So they carry your two pair of shoes.
One side instead was taken.
Now, question. You went somewhere for visit.
Tu es allé pour une visite.
An adult like him,
Un adulte.
a child cannot take the shoe.
Un enfant ne peut pas
So
prendre.
it's an adult who has collected it.
C'est un adulte.
He did not take the two pairs.
Il n'a pas pris les deux paires.
He took one side.
Il a pris un seul.
Now, I told him something. When you complained to me, what did I tell you?
Quand tu t'es plaint,
Told
qu'est-ce
me
que j'ai
it
dit?
is spiritual, that it's an attack.
But I said something.
J'ai dit quelque chose.
I said they will bring it back.
Yes,
Huh?
I said I will see it.
I said they will bring the other.
The other one.
What happened?
And the following day, actually, I saw it. The person I went to see told me that she saw the shoe on a graveyard.
Huh?
She found the shoe on a graveyard.
Okay. According to you,
Selon toi,
evangelists will come now and testify.
évangéliste doit venir témoigner.
Papa, the God of restoration is great.
Oh, le Dieu de la restauration est
In
grand.
this house,
Dans cette maison,
God is alive.
tu es vivant.
I went somewhere
Je suis allé
to
quelque
visit
part
somebody.
pour rendre visite.
I keep my shoe
J'ai
outside.
gardé mes chaussures.
They took one
On
side.
a pris un côté.
Papa told me
Papa m'a dit,
that they will bring it.
on va revenir
That-
avec. On a ramené.
I want to give God the
Je
praise.
vais remercier
Shut up.
Dieu. Ferme-la.
That is not restoration.
Ce n'est pas la restauration.
The person who took that shoe
La personne qui a pris cette
was
chaussure
not stealing it.
ne volait pas.
They have war with the shoe. So they came back with it because they have done what they wanted to do with it.
Ils sont revenus avec parce qu'ils ont fait ce qu'il fallait.
You putting your leg in that shoe,
Toi, mettre ton pied dans cette chaussure,
you will know that it would have been better to lack even to rope than to have that
tu
shoe.
vas connaître que c'était mieux d'avoir les sandales.
Restoration
La restauration
is not just finding what was missing.
n'est pas seulement retrouver ce qui est perdu,
It's finding what was missing
mais retrouver ce qui était perdu
while it is intact
pendant que c'est encore intact
with its benefits.
avec son bénéfice.
Look at what the scripture says.
Regardez ce que l'Écriture dit.
He said something. That which the cankerworm
Ce que
destroyed,
les locustes ont détruit,
that which the locust
ce
destroyed,
que les chenilles ont détruit,
that which the palmerworm
ce que les
destroyed,
criquets ont détruit,
that which the caterpillar of the
ce que les
swamp.
chenilles ont détruit.
Satan is too prepared.
Satan est tellement
When he
préparé.
enters in your life,
Quand il entre dans ta
he
vie,
does not just kill,
il ne tue pas
he
seulement,
does not just steal,
il ne vole pas
he
seulement,
also destroys.
il détruit.
That is why
Voilà
if
pourquoi,
we enter a family
si tu entres dans des
where
familles
Satan has killed,
où Satan a volé,
where he has stolen,
où il a tué,
where he has destroyed,
où il a détruit,
if we resurrect the dead man,
si on ressuscite l'homme qui est mort,
they have experienced partial restoration.
ils ont expérimenté une restauration
We
partielle.
have not repaired that which is destroyed.
On n'a pas réparé ce qui est détruit.
We have not restored that which is stolen.
On n'a pas restauré celle qui était volée.
What therefore
C'est quoi donc?
is total
La
restoration?
restauration totale.
In verse 24
Dans le verset 24
of Joel 2,
de Joël chapitre
he
2,
said, and I shall cause the rain,
il dit, je vais faire en sorte que la pluie,
the big rain,
la grande pluie
and the greater rain
et la plus grande pluie
to fall
de tomber
upon your earth.
sur la terre.